Instagram 3-line settings not opening. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, make sure your Instagram is updated. So go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram if it available. Now go back to home screen. Long press on Instagram app. Now click on I button or app info. Now scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone by pressing power button. Now open Instagram and see 3-line settings is opening. In this way you can easily solve this problem. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.